For decades, the streets of Jamaica have come alive every Christmas Eve with the buzz and energy of Gran Market. The lights twinkled, the music pulsed, the air did fill with the sweet aroma of good food, good shopping, good company, and even greater vibes. Now, this year tradition, from way back, generations, a cultural celebration that brings Jamaicans from all walks of life to the heart of the community. Yet, vendors pointed out recently that things not the same. The once thriving market experience is under siege, not by local competition, but by a new force, what we call online shopping. Now, vendors stating that in what was traditionally one of the most successful periods of the year is now, you know, gone to the dogs, as many would say. Now, before it became the festive, bustling event we know today, Grand Market has its roots that trace back to the days of slavery. Back then, enslaved people were granted liquor freedom during Christmas, a time when the plantations slowed down and the plantation owners allowed their workers to take a break. This time off wasn't just for rest. It allowed the enslaved to tend to their personal gardens and sell them surplus goods. Markets on Sundays became a place where communities gathered not just to trade, but to socialize and enjoy the little freedom that they get. During the Christmas season, these markets grew into more than just trading posts, you know. They became festive gatherings. Now, plantation owners often supplied food and organized parades like Jankono, which added to the holiday spirit. It was a rare time when enslaved people could enjoy a taste of the celebration and community, and Grand Market became an expression of that the Freedom Day. It was a moment to wear new clothes, buy special treats, and feel a sense of joy despite the hardship of daily life. Now, isn't that something? As Jamaica moved into the 20th century now, Grand Market evolved into an event that nobody could miss. It became a vibrant celebration held in towns across the islands. People traveled for miles. Some people traveled from country to town just for Grand Market. No, basically anything and maybe everything you can find at Grand Market, from Christmas decorations, toys to clothes, food, household goods. Grand Market was the place to find something unique, and it offered the rare opportunity for people to indulge in the holiday spirit. Now, this year market became synonymous with the festive season. As Ivy Baxter described in The Arts of an Island 1970, Grand Market was a social occasion, a chance for people to meet in a space outside their homes and enjoy the spirit of Christmas together. It wasn't just about the shopping, you know. It was about being a part of something larger, something that reflected the vibrancy and creativity of the Jamaican people. When night fell upon Christmas Eve, the magic truly began. Town centers get adorned with them Christmas lights and decorations, while food vendors offered mouth-watering variety of treats. Jankun parades, decorated paper hats, balloon noisemakers, and the sound of Jamaican music filled the air. The excitement was awesome, and families, young and old, gathered to partake in the joy and chaos of the market. It was an event that lasted well into Christmas Day, offering the community a moment of pure joy and festivity. Now, fast forward to today. The magical Grand Market are not the same. While the event still takes place in towns across Jamaica, it has undeniably changed. Online shopping platforms, global retail chain, and even the rise of shopping malls have altered the way people shop during the holiday season. The traditional Grand Market, with its handmade goods and local products, is increasingly being shadowed by the convenience of purchasing items with a few clicks from the comfort of home, and it greatly affects the vendors. They face stiff competition from digital marketplaces, and as the experience becomes more commercialized, the festive atmosphere that once defined Grand Market, you know, it gone. What was once a time for unique last minute holiday finds has become a crowded fancy, often selling products that are available year round. The joy and wonder of discovering special, crafted items that have been diluted by mass produced goods and the ease of online shopping. Despite this, though, there's still hope. Them have to give thanks. Well, a lot of vendors and them have to give thanks for what them do sell. Even as the market experiences the effects of modernization, grand markets still serve an important purpose, offering goods for the people who need them most. Many Jamaicans still flock to these markets for their year of end shoppings, cherishing the chance to support local vendors and enjoy the community atmosphere. I mean, Grand Market is like a dance for many. Go and have fun, chill with them party, family and friends. Tell us, why your experience with Grand Market? Then and if you go recently, tell us about now as well. And will you be going to any Grand Market on Christmas Eve? Tell me now. Now, the future of Grand Markets. As we reflect on the shifting dynamics of Grand Markets, it is definitely clear that this cherished tradition is at a crossroads. While online shopping presents undeniable challenges, Grand Market remains a symbol of Jamaican resilience and creativity. Perhaps the future of Grand Market lies in blending the old with the new. Vendors could adapt by integrating online platforms, offering a hybrid shopping experience that allow customers to purchase in person or digitally. And a lot of people were also complaining about the prices at Grand Market, especially with things being very tight. They have said that things are cheaper online, and other than convenience, they're talking about the prices. While shopping locally at stores and at Grand Market, triple, too expensive. Them can't afford it. So, what's your take on that? Now, more importantly, there is a need to reclaim the magic and the sense of community that once made Grand Market special, whether it's through creative decorations, live entertainment, or unique products. There's an opportunity to restore the joy and the little excitement, well, big excitement, of the event. After all, Grand Market were never just about the item sell, you know? People just never got there for buy things. It was about the people, the culture, and the celebration of Jamaican life and togetherness. As vendors all around Jamaica might have said, and as they continue to navigate the changing landscape, we can only hope that Grand Market doesn't lose its place in Fui society. In a world that's constantly evolving, the tradition of Grand Market still holds a special place in the Jamaican spirit. It's a reminder of a time when community came together, not just to shop, but to celebrate life, love, and freedom. So that's it for now. Let us know if you've learned anything from this or if you found this content valuable. We're counting down the days until Christmas. I mean, we hope people will be able to have a good one nonetheless. We've seen, the prices are up when it comes to food, so there won't be a lot of grand meals this year. Um, but hopefully everybody will get something to eat, no matter how little it is, throughout the season and the years. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. Have a blessed one. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. And tell us in the comments, will you be going to Grand Market this year or you not do it?